See how the new feature that we have added to the scheduling tab works. This feature is basically for in charges. So I'm taking a particular student. Say I'm taking a student Yusuf Siton. Okay. In this scheduling, you can see there are two things here, teacher requested and teacher assigned. So teacher requested is something that will be added by the phone in charges. Okay, when they get a scheduling from the parent and parent asks for a particular teacher, that will be put by the phone people. Okay, but teacher assigned is something that the in charge decides. Okay, that this particular student is supposed to be given to which teacher. So I will go to the edit option here. In that edit option, I will see the tab teacher assigned. So let me add a teacher here. Okay, so I'm adding a teacher here, and then this particular student is assigned to this teacher. Now let me go to the teacher account. So when I go to the teacher account, you can see there will be a new tab here, My Schedule. Okay, so when you go to My Schedule, you will see the students assigned to a particular teacher. So you can see I have assigned Yusuf Ziton here. So when the teacher starts the session, he will click on start session. Now the session for this particular student has already started now. Okay. So this particular entry will be automatically done in Delhi students. It will reflect in Delhi students automatically. So let me show you how it goes. Okay. So when I go to Delhi students into the in charge account, okay, you can see the name Yusuf Ziton here and the name of the teacher, and it started at what time? So it started at say 102. Now after the teacher, okay, finishes the session, okay, he will again go to the My Scheduling tab. Now after going to My Scheduling tab, you can see there is a button End Session. So he will click on the End Session tab and the session is ended there. Okay, so the teacher need to click end session after he or she finishes the session. Then you will see again automatically in daily student, the time will be entered, the start time and the end time. Okay, this is how the new function works. Okay, so you don't have to send the Skype details and everything. Okay, it will automatically go via scheduling to the My Schedule tab under teacher, and where teacher will be able to see how many students are assigned to him or her. And then as the session starts, he will click on start session. As the session ends, he will click on the end session.